So in this video, I'm going to be discussing the determinants of matrix. So by the way, before I start this video, please also support me by subscribing to my channel, then sharing my videos, also comment and like. It will go a long way for me to support me, to motivate me to make more videos. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's start. We are given a matrix A with the elements of 3, 2, 4, and 5, and we're asked to find its determinant. And by the way, determinant of a matrix is denoted by this thing here now. So it's noted by this. So anytime you see B like this or C like this, then we ask to find the determinants of these matrices. Okay, so let's find the determinants of this matrix now. And another thing to know is that to find the determinant of a matrix, that matrix must be a square matrix. For example, it must be a 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, 4 by 4 matrix, 5 by 5 matrix, and so on. So that's another thing to note. So having said that, let's find the determinant of this matrix that is displayed on the screen. So first, to find the determinant of matrix A, we are going to multiply these leading diagonals, which is 3 and 5, and then multiply this diagonal 4 and 2, and then take away the answer of 4 and 2 from 3 and 5. Okay, so let's solve this. So determinant of matrix A is given by 3 times 5, which is 3 times 5, then minus 4 times 2. Alright, so this is going to give us 3 times 5 is what? 3 times 5 is 15, minus 2 times 4, 8. So this is going to give us 7. So the matrix A, the determinant of matrix A is equal to 7. Alright, so let's solve another one. So let's find the determinant of a matrix A with this element as 2, 1, 0, and 4. So to find the determinant of this matrix is going to be 2 times 4 is what? 2 times 4 is going to be 8, minus 1 times 0 is 0, minus 0 equals to 8. So 8 is the determinant of this matrix. So the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix is easy compared to the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix and 4 by 4 matrix and so on. So in the next video, we're going to be looking at the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. It's a little bit complex, but trust me, with me, it to be simplified. You understand it very well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.